Hey everybody, it's Steve 3D Slasher, and I've got another tutorial I'm working on right now. This is New York City. This would be Lower Manhattan, and I am using the OSM Blender add-on, which is absolutely free. Now I already went through and removed like a bazillion textures, but there's still, you know, probably hundreds and hundreds more. I'm going to actually kind of tweak this and play around with it, make it easy, and it will be available on my Patreon. So it's just like a little teaser video, kind of show you what I'm going to do. Like I'll take this Lower Manhattan area and where the water and everything else meets, and what I was going to do is obviously texture all of the buildings here to look realistic, and then, you know, put in some foliage and things like that with the BagaPie. And then if there's anything funky in here, I'll just delete it. But places that have, you know, obvious greenery and things like that, it's going to be super easy to use the BagaPie geometry nodes based add-on and put some foliage in there. So we'll create some cool scene in here with obviously some camera animation. We'll throw a little camera shake in there and get some other things done as well. Make this thing really pop. Anyhow, I appreciate everybody watching my little teaser video, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial lesson.